So Ronice, you dropped everything from being a manager, running stores, making the rules, to being a full-time student, reading books, homework assignments?
Yes, I did. It wasn't easy, but it was the best decision I've ever made. You know what? Let's get to this intro first.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Okay, so there's not too many videos I can find on YouTube that can help me through this college journey to relate to somebody. So I'm here to give you my story on how I went from a full-time manager to now being a full-time student while being a mother and a soon-to-be wife. So yeah, having my daughter at a young age of 18, which is no mistake. I never think that's a mistake ever. Realizing that I had to provide for her, it made me stay at where I was at, continue being a manager, continue to lead. And then as years go on, I'm like, okay, I'm not feeling this. Like I need more, I want more, I want to grow somewhere else. So that's when I was like, okay, things are going I need to do. A little bit of thought of having like, oh, I'm too old. I'm gonna be looked at funny being my age in my first year of college. But no, like age does not matter when you go to college. Like if you ever want to join a college, just do it. Knock it out. Everybody's position is different than mine. Like now I'm able to stay at home and just focus on school and do it full time so I can kind of like hurry up and finish. Because since I couldn't do it before, it's not going to stop me now. So I just encourage you guys, like whoever's out there that is deciding on joining, don't worry about your age. Don't worry about none of those factors. Like just do it and you'll be so happy that you did it. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to this camera thing. Just starting out on this journey, guys. Give me a break. That's how I went from being a manager to a full-time student. It's a long road, believe me, and it's very important to have that support to get you through it. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, any concerns, any ideas, thoughts, leave a comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Help sister out.